Hi friends, we all know how to make panel layouts manually. We have done it. So now let us move on to creating the same layout drawings using the features in AutoCAD Electrical. Here you see under this project ACADE AutoCAD Electrical Training, I have created two subfolders. One is schematic and another is panel layout. You can create the subfolders in this way. Click on the project, right click and add subfolders. In this way you can create the subfolders, and inside subfolders, see, if I go to this schematic, there are two drawings. One is which is the rightly open here, and another, this one we have created earlier. If I want to remove this one from this project, what I have to do is click on this, remove. Now you should note one thing. Now I am removing this particular sheet is 002 W is 002 from my project. Okay, I am clicking yes. Now it's disappeared. It is not there in my project. But if you open it, this particular directory manually, here you can see this. It is still there, but it won't appear in your project. We have only removed this particular file from our project only. So if you want it to remove permanently, what you have to do is you should delete from here as well. Now it is deleted. So coming back, panel layout and schematic. If you see in the panel layout, I have created a small demo version for you. This is a operator station, nothing, just like this is a small box with a few push button mounted on this, right? And these are all nameplates, and functions are very well described here. And see, till now we were touching the schematic tab here. We are moving the component, we are inserting everything under this schematic tab. Wires, move components, scoot, PLC, everything was under the schematic tab. Now if you go to the panel tab, here you will see everything related to the layouts. The functions are almost same, just like here you see edit component. If I click here, it is just like what you have seen in schematic. Now let us move to schematic. Here, but in order to edit the schematic components, what we should do is we should switch over to schematic, edit, click here. More or less same, fine. And you can see attributes, move, everything there. Panel, layout, delete footprint. Here you can see delete component. Here you will find delete footprint. This is copy footprint. Here you can see copy component, retag, copy, everything you can see here as well. Item numbers, copy assembly. This is copy assembly. Here we have seen copy circuit. So what is special about this is you can link the component which you have used in the schematic with the layout, or vice versa. Either you can create the layout first and you can link those components which you use in this layout later on with the schematic, or first you create the schematic and then connect those with the layout components. Here there are one push button and one indication ramp is already there. Leave it here. I will go to layout diagram. No, I'll just edit. Let me see one component. For example, this is LT411. Okay, the manufacturer is AB. AB is Allen Bradley. This is the catalog number, and installation, location, mount, group. These are all as per your requirement. So if you need to extract anything into the BOM or component list, this catalog number is a must. Without this, you cannot export it into the bill of material. So it is there. This is basically an indication lamp. RAM 01. Okay. LT411 is the tag. Now going back to the schematic, what I will do here, I will insert a indication lamp here, but that should be, you should select that from schematic. The icon menu you should select from schematic. Pilot lights red standard, any color I am choosing here, I am putting it here. Now I want to use this indication lamp which is used in the layout, but I don't remember which is that. So what I will do is, I will pick this panel tab here. So I will get all the components which is used there. You can sort it with tag wise, installation wise, location wise. If you have many boxes, many such similar boxes, so how do you will identify? There this installation and location plays a major role. While you insert any component, it will ask you whether it is schematic or panel. It will ask you for installation and location code. If you provide this information there, that will help you for functions like this. Because if you have more than many locations, similar push buttons are used, similar CAD numbers are used in many drawings, you cannot identify. In fact, the sheet number is there, you can use this as well. So if the installation code is there, you can sort it in installation wise, sheet wise. All these options are there, but right now we have only one sheet, so that is not creating any hurdle. So these are all indication lamps, LT. So I will choose this one. This is what I have. RAM 1. Okay. Now see. Okay. Overwrite LT, because while I was inserting this indication lamp, the component tag was LT question mark. Now through this tab, panel tab, I have selected another component. So it is asking, you want to overwrite this? Okay. The same catalog number comes here too, and same description comes here. Everything, location code, everything. Okay. Now you see, it will take few seconds because it has to read the whole database. So be patient. It will take few seconds. Fine. Be patient. Now you see. Now it is asking, it has some components used in other sheets. So do you want to cross check it, batch processing? So always you should do it. It is advisable, because by mistake if you have used few other sheets, it will guide you. Q save destroy. Of course you should save this and leave. It will go and check all the other sheets. All the descriptions, everything comes here. LT411. If you go and check there, yes, now I want to save it. This is that button, RAM 01 OK 1. And now I am putting one more push button here, push button or indication lamp. So if I go directly to this icon menu, what I will get is all these are schematic symbols. See here, schematic symbols. because here the tab which is at present live is schematic. So if you want to insert anything in this layout, you should go to the panel first, then you should go to the insert. Now push button N now. Manufacturer, go to catalog lookup, and again here it will take few seconds because it depends upon the database within your PC. In my database, see, I have provided only one make, Alan Bradley. But while installing your AutoCAD in your PC, it will ask you to select all the manufacturers. You can select all. It depends on the capacity of your hard disk. It will take more space, and while inserting and cross-checking, it will take that much time too, because it have to search all the database. So just to avoid that delay, I have choose only one make here. This is just an example. Okay, while you installing AutoCAD in your PC, what you have to do is you have to select the most commonly makes which you use. ABB, Siemens, Schneider, whichever you use, you select all those. So all those will appear here, and from here you have to select one of them. You can sort it like this. Here ABB and the ABB is there. If I select ABB, I think no push button is there right now. Yeah, it is not there. Description, everything you will get here. No illumination, push button, see, reset push button, everything is here. Type, dimension, style, contacts. So let me select this one. Okay, now okay. Now the manufacturer's name is here, catalog number is here. Okay. Be patient while inserting components. Again, if you see closing MDB file, database file, it has to check the file. Now it's here. I will keep the snap on. After inserting, it will ask you for rotation. If you do you want to rotate this or not. If you don't want to rotate, just click once more. And description, of course you can put, I am giving the description, drive, start. Location, if you know the location, see, in this case I am giving a different location, but in fact ideally it should be same location because the enclosure is same. So the installation location, everything should be same, but I am doing something different for your better understanding. Location, sorry, installation I am giving lineup 1, location I am giving 01 OS, operating station. Okay. Okay. Now it is here. The push button is here. Again, right click, edit component. You can see what type of push button is this, catalog number, you know, drive, start, function, everything. If you want to edit, you can do it. And now let me put one nameplate across this icon menu. Say nameplate. I will put this type of nameplate. Catalog lookup. Again, there are many, but unfortunately or fortunately I have selected only one make because just to save the time. I'm selecting one. This is just an example. Okay. Now it will ask you to select the button. The more your database, the more time it will take. That's why I have choose only one make. I normally choose the makes which I use regularly. Select object. It is asking for select objects. Click this. Drive start. Okay. Now you see the description also comes here. Okay. And if you edit this was this thing, push button. Okay. Now going back to the schematic, I am going to insert a button here. Now we are in the schematic sheet, so we should go to this schematic tab, menu, push button. I am putting the push button here. I don't remember which one I put earlier, but I know the description and all, so I picked panel. See, line upon 01 voice. This is the one which I used inserted last. Tag I have not provided there, so it will create some problem. Okay, tag there is question mark only. Let us go and check it. I have not provided any tag. How do I check? Go to panel, edit. No tag here. That is why it is coming as question mark. So again I'm going back there. Yes. Now suppose if I am deleting one of this component, for example, let me delete this thing. I have to delete this component. Delete is not from this is under panel. I have to delete this schematic component. Delete. I'm going to delete this thing. RAM 01, okay. So this parent device was deleted. Do you want to search for and serve to the child? ये तो delete कर दिया. It has used some child as well. Do you want to go and delete them? Okay. Q save the directory. Okay. Now see, this is surf manufacturer and type, everything you gives here. This is same. If you go to, what happens is it will take you to this sheet, and if you want to delete this, okay, if you want to cross check, if you want to go back to the next sheet, or if you use more than one contact of this, then all the sheets will come here. You go to it's already deleted. No, go to, yeah, it's already deleted. So if you want to delete this, delete. Okay, delete it. Close. Now it's deleted. And now if I am deleting from here, what will happen? Deleting component. So not from schematic, go to panel, delete here. Delete this one. Sorry, it is not asking now. What? I've done some mistake. What was this mistake? Yeah. The mistake, you know what? The mistake was that while providing this push button here, I have not provided the tag. If you see here, yes, oops. Here, this PB question mark is there, but there was no tag while inserting that particular push button. I will show you once more. I will insert one more component here. Icon menu, push button. This time let me put one NC here. Catalog lookup, AB. I am selecting this. No. BR5A. Okay. Okay. This is reading the file again, database file. So it will take some time. I am putting it here, keeping the snap on. I am putting it here. Rotation angle, no, I don't want to rotate. I am not providing, this time I am not providing a tag. You listen. stop. Without any tag, I am giving this installation again. I am giving 01 TT location, sorry, installation lineup 1 LUP1 01 OS. Okay, without any tag. This is one NC. Going back to the wiring diagram, I am going to insert a component not from panel, this time from schematic push button NC. I will put it here. I will pick the panel. All this. This is what I have inserted last. Stop. Okay. This is without tag. Okay. Yes, update. This is PB. See the question marks lies here now. Going back here. This is again without a tag. Now if I delete this component here, the tags are different, so it won't identify. I delete this component, this is gone because this was without any tag. For example, now I edit and give it a tag. Let us say PB20. Okay, this is my PB20. Going back here, schematic, edit, which was this one, panel, stop, this one, PB20. Okay, or right, okay, yes, update. Now it is there. Now going back there, panel, here panel, delete. See now PB20, this panel device was deleted. Do you want to search for surf and surf to related devices? Okay, to save this. So now the tag is there, NONC, that is something wrong. Installation, see if I click this and go to, this is what, this is where the another is used. Delete. Okay, delete it. Now it's deleted. So this is the beauty of this thing. You can insert a component either initially in the schematic or in the layout diagram, doesn't matter where it is. Once you delete from somewhere else, it automatically gets deleted from the other side too. Not over. If you are generating the layouts and schematics manually, what you will do is you have to create the bill of material either in Excel or in AutoCAD table. You have to do it manually. So by deleting one component in any one of these sheets, what normally we have to do is we have to go to the other sheet, edit there, we have to go to the bill of material, edit there. So in that way it takes lot of time, but using AutoCAD electrical you can very well manage that. So chances of errors are nil until unless you made some mistakes like which I did previously, without one tag component without any tag and another component with the tag. So in a hurry we may skip to click yes or no. So that thing should not happen. We should be very careful while inserting the components, giving tags, installation, location, and once it is done, your job is through. You don't have to cross check it. And now I will show you how I can extract the bill of material from here. Like this way we can, suppose if I am putting a DIN rail here, DIN rail, okay, this is scale all in inches. Pick rail information. You have to choose this, how much length you want the DIN rail. From here to here I want to put a DIN rail. I mean, this is not exactly where you have to put the DIN rail. It should be inside this enclosure, but I am showing it just an example. Okay, see the DIN rail. These are the rails on which the MCBs and other switchgear components are mounting inside a panel. This is a DIN rail. So like this, you can insert everything, and just like we did in the schematic, we can here the schematic you must be remembering symbol builder. Using symbol builder, we have created few components and we can add those into our database. Same way, here also you can create your own components and can add those into your database. From there you can just pull out things one by one. So you don't need to totally depends on this catalog, the available catalogs here. Like if you go to push button, catalog lookup, now you don't see much options. In fact, here are other options as well. Footprint file dialog selection. These options are also there. Link to user zone, ACADE, and we can use this. So it is not necessary all your component must be available within the makes which is readily available within AutoCAD. So anyway, the logic is same. Now if I want to create a report out of this report, go to report. Now here also you can find a report, here also you can find a report, but this is under schematic. This report, this is what my panel. So if I take report bill of material, if you want it project wise, if it is active drawing wise, active drawing. Okay, see all these things, installation codes to extract, blank. So this sort of, I mean, these things you have to experiment. Okay, Q save. Now you see nameplate, and these are item numbers. If you want to change the format, you can do that too. Tax comes first, move up, items, quantity last, manufacturer, catalog, descriptions. Let me keep this down. Okay, okay. Now again you want to put the time, title, project lines, whatever you want, column labels. You can do change the report format. Okay, if you want to break the pages, that is also very much possible. Put on drawing, again this will come. Here the same thing. If you want to change the color, label color, you can change. Text color, if you want to change, you can change it. You can in fact save this into Excel as well. Okay, okay. Put on drawing. Okay, close. Sorry, something went wrong. Active drawing. Okay, yeah, it's there. It is here. In fact, I will delete this. I will reports, active drawing. Okay, change format type. Here you can see you can change the format, tag, item, description, anything you can change. Time, date, I want to put it in the drawing. Drawing panel bill of material for all locations, LD1. See, save to file. If you click here, you can, these are the formats available, and you can export this data into this format. If you want to put on drawing, click here. here there are options: insert new or insert new non-updatable. What is the difference? I am keeping this one, insert new non-updatable. Again you can change the color and all. Okay, close. It is here. The box is a little bit big, that's why. In fact, you can change the box size and all, everything. There is options are there. If you see all the push button, item number, tags, description, subject, the color which I choose this little over bright. Manufacturer's name, quantity, everything is here. Now suppose if I am deleting few of these components, go to panel, delete footprint. I am deleting this one. Okay, Q save. It will go and search other sheets as well. Okay. So I have deleted two components. Okay, but that has not reflected in this at present. Now if I generate the bill of material again, reports, if I now go to reports, bill of material, active drawing, I will get a new bill of material after deleting few components. Now if I put on this drawing, this column size and text height you can change here, column width calculate automatically, the size you can change as per your title block. Now see, earlier what I did is insert new non-updatable. वो मैंने पहले डाला था, that was the one which I already inserted here, this one. So when now I insert new, close, it has inserted new one. The earlier one is already there. Now here is another one. For your better understanding, now again I am deleting this one, which is the one I inserted initially, not now, initially. Now I am deleting few more components. These selector switches also I am deleting. Okay. Now if you see here in this bill of material, selector switch, 2 position, 2 quantities. Keep it here. This selector switch, 2 position maintained, quantity is 2. It is there now. But this I have inserted this table bill of material before deleting this. Now I have deleted 2 selector switch, but the bill of material is older. Now what I will do is I will go and generate a new report. Active drawing, okay. So this is my new one. Okay, I'm going to put on my drawing. Now you see it is asking update existing, because while inserting the older one I have put new one, but that was updatable. Initially the first time what I inserted was non-updatable. So now update existing. Okay, so what happens is the earlier one that will get disappeared and the new one will come in place. Here you won't find the selector switch because we have already deleted those. This is the difference. Of course you can set this thing, positioning of this table, color, width, everything you can change as per your requirement. Now again, sometimes what happens is this type of, suppose there is a control desk with more than 100 elements like this. There are desks, control desk, hundreds of elements like this, and you may need to give this tagging or description for the manufacturer to get it print. So what normally people do is they look at the drawing and they type it in an Excel and give to the manufacturer. If there are 5 desks, such big desk, your one day is over just for typing, converting this text into Excel. So using this is very simple. See, nameplate. Choose this nameplate. Okay. See, everything. If you want to save to Excel, fine. Put it on drawing. Again, okay. I'm putting it on drawing. Close. Description 1. I have not provided tag for the remaining. I have put only for these 4. Conveyor motor, stop, stop, stop. Block name. If you don't want this, you can of course remove this in this editable. I mean, while going here na, nameplate, active drawing. Okay. Change reporting format. I don't want block name. Remove. Okay. Put on drawing. Update existing. Yeah, it will update. See, now that is not there. Drive, conveyor motor, start, running. Everything is here. You want to put it in the drawing, you can do. If you want to export it in the Excel, that is also very much possible. So today this is enough, and we will learn more about this in the comment session. Thank you. Bye bye.